Hey, Tiffany, it's Polly. It's now 10 a.m. You have a creative design class today at 11 a.m. What do you want to do?
Polly, get me a blue cars taxi to IADT.
No bother, always searching for a handy ride. Hang on. I found a blue cabs taxi 5 minutes away. What do you want to do next?
Can you confirm this taxi's okay for a wheelchair user?
This vehicle is a Citroën dispatch van, licensed for mobility scooters, static wheelchairs and support animals. The driver's name is Joe. What's next?
Polly, continue with the booking.
Tiffany, our taxi is outside our home. What now?
Text Allison, our personal assistant, and let her know we're coming.
I sent Allison our trip details. Now what?
Now we're sucking diesel. Cool.
My bad, I'm a blow-in bot and didn't get that. Try asking me about contacting someone, arranging travel, your locations, or simple things.
Did I remember to turn on the house alarm?
I contacted the alarm at home. The alarm is on. Anything else?
I'm good for now. Thumbs up.
Travel update. Thanks to roadworks we are now in Donnybrook. We will arrive at IADT in 20 minutes. We have arrived at IADT. The trip cost is €15. What do you want to do?
Pay the driver using the IADT account.
I'm just checking with Google, this was not your usual trip to the pub. Okay, the driver has been paid €15 on the IADT account. Now what?
WhatsApp the lads our location so they know where we are.
Sent the lads group in WhatsApp our location at the entrance to IADT. Anything else?
What's the fastest accessible route to the building?
Here's the fastest accessible route. About 6 minutes or 500 meters away. Go straight. I'll tell you when to turn. What's next?
We're done. Thanks, Polly. Chat later.
You're welcome, Tiffany. Good luck. You'll feckin' need it.